my presentation. My name is Shazib Rasool, and today my presentation is about AI electric management system, electricity theft control and e-billing system via EMETER technology. So, theft control and e-billing system for water and power department, Pakistan. My project is about developing new technologies in the field of electricity to reduce electricity theft issues and e-billing system for consumers. It also enhances the shortfall detection systems and tracing the fault. AI will also help WAPDA employees to catch electric theft and make repairing in the main line easy. Introduction. My team is VU Engineers, Mission Corruption-Free Electricity and Digital Management System for Better Services. Budget depend upon initiative not yet calculated. Core technology, AI and advanced coding, cloud coding for better calculation and management services. Problems. Electricity theft. In the last 5 years, Pakistan had lost 90 billion rupees in electricity theft and line losses. Meter reading and bill calculation. Reading meter on time manually door to door is very difficult, especially in rural areas. It's also loss in revenue and manpower in collecting data. Bill delivery and payment. Delivering bills to the consumers and collecting bill payments is a major issue. So I have some solution for that. Electricity theft solution is supply and demand calculation system with e-meters. Meter reading and bill calculations is solved by data synchronization with database via e-meter, and bill delivery and payments, prepaid subscriptions for electricity using mobile wallet in e-meter like JazzCash, EasyPaisa or your bank transfer. Comparison metrics. The following are the percentage progress in each study case. 75% theft control reduction in theft and land loss approximately, and 83% bill delivery and payments will be made possible on time using this idea, and meter reading and consumption calculations are 99% correct bill calculations on time with 100% prepaid payment. Consumer and WAPDA employees help to diagnose electricity with the 50%. So market opportunity. Almost everyone in Pakistan is using electricity, so it is a big market here for this product. EMETER also target consumers and other companies looking forward for the business. Market strategies. Subsidized discount on product with advertisement is the best strategy for this product. It's also a good thing for the consumers to use, get benefits, because it is the beneficial for both for consumer and for also the provider. And if you see, consumer can get also benefit with e-meters, and also the electricity providers are also get benefit on their own behalf. And you can see I have predicted some market share ideas. Maybe this idea will get better. So you can see 2023 it will be not for it's about 40% and 60%, but in 2024 it is almost 50%. But you can see in 2030 it is almost 90%. What is e-meter? E-meter is a device which collects electricity consumption data and send it to the server. And then server calculate data using AI algorithm and help in theft control, bill calculation, bill payment, fault diagnosis and land loss. And also it share tips to consumer to save electricity. What does e-meter do? Collect data. E-meter collect voltage, watt per hour, current, temperature. And in second phase, it sync data with the cloud, send back data to the to calculate bills and diagnose issues, and send power saving tips to the consumer. In step 3, it will get data on. It means you can cut off any connection with using this e-meter technology. It also have a black box. It will also collect evidence if anyone destroy e-meter. So there's no chance anyone can cheat with this idea or meter. What e-meter system do? Cloud side. It processes data, calculate data which is collected by e-meter and processed to make decisions. Send receive bills. It send bills to e-meters and consumer contact, also record payments. E-theft. Server calculates supply data and sum of all the consumer data. If the sum is less than supply, then e-theft is occurring, which further will be predicted and located by using AI. E-diagnose. System will automatically diagnose any issue. land loss, line cut, short circuit, etc. It will send data to the WAPDA employee to resolve the issue. EMETER network. Emitters send data to telecom towers and then the cloud server where data will be calculated. So in this diagram you can see from house and corporate to this data will be sent to telecom towers, and telecom towers then transfer this data to server. EMETER control. EMETER can control remotely, directly via same network. You can see this network also uses by the server to control the EMETER directly. You can switch on or off anyone disconnect from the main supply by using server scripting. Diagnose of problem in mainline. If any device detect any error, it will send data to the server and server send data to the employee to solve the problems. Red line is the error. Here you can see a farmhouse is having a problem or disconnected from the main line, and its EMETER will send data to telecom tower, and then telecom tower send that data to the server, and server will send this data or use this data to locate an employee to help the farmhouse to regain its electricity. Bill payment online. When consumer pay bill, then its supply is connected to the main line via switch system inside EMETER. Yellow line is the bill paid user connected to supply. You can see a farmhouse is connected via server by using telecom medium. So its supply will be controlled through remote from the server side. Theft control systems. Consumption on distribution D1, consumption on homes H1, H2 and H3. Then we can minus D1 minus H1 plus H2 plus H3 is equal to thefted unit. It means you can calculate where the electricity consumption is loosed. So here we can locate the theft. So you can see in graph normal is about 40% to 60% usage, but when theft try to thief the electricity, it will increase with 90% spike in the curve. Bill calculations. Bill will be automatically calculated on server side by using a simple algorithms. If you multiply units with the rate, it will automatically give you a bill. So here's the H1, H2, H3 bills are calculated by multiplying their units with the rate. Consumer will receive bill from SMS or email, and it can be easily paid by Jazz Cash, Easy Paisa or any other wallet. Thank you so much. That was my presentation about my idea, and I hope you guys and my judges will judge this idea as an initiative for the better of electricity in Pakistan, and it will I'm sure it will reduce electricity theft in Pakistan.